How do you rebuild trust after a difficult conversation goes wrong? Because it will happen. You will say something too quickly. Your tone is probably going to land sharper than you intended. The conversation may escalate or even shut down. And afterward, there's that abiding sense, boy, that didn't go well. Now, what most people do next is avoid it. They move on. They hope it settles. They tell themselves, it wasn't that bad. But here's the problem. What's left unaddressed doesn't resolve. It lingers in the relationship, in the tone, in how the next conversation starts. So rebuilding trust starts with something simple, but not always easy. Going back to it. Now, that might sound like I've been thinking about our last conversation, and I don't think I handled it as well as I could have. Then it's best to acknowledge the impact, not just what you meant, but how it may have landed. And then try to create a reset. Can we revisit this in a way that works better for both of us? You see, you're not trying to erase what happened. Rather, you're showing that you can see it, own it, and re-engage. And that is what rebuilds trust. Not perfection, but repair. So here's a question for you to think about. When a conversation doesn't go well, do you revisit it or do you move past it?